In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Booking.com account. We'll walk through the exact path on a computer using a web browser, explain what happens after you confirm deletion, and cover what to do if you don't see the option right away. The process is straightforward, and it's similar on the mobile app, but I'll focus on the website so you can follow along clearly. Start by opening your browser and going to www.booking.com. Sign into your account with your usual login details. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, go to either Account Settings or Security Settings. The wording can vary slightly depending on the current layout, but both take you to the right area. On the Settings page, scroll down until you find the option labeled Delete Account. Click that. Booking.com will ask you to confirm that you want to proceed. At this point, you may be prompted to re-enter your password or verify your choice via an email they send you. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once you complete the confirmation, your account will be set for permanent deletion. There are a few important things to keep in mind before you finalize this. If you have any active bookings, you may need to cancel those first. Open reservations can prevent deletion or cause complications, so take care of those within your account before you proceed. After the account is deleted, you'll lose your booking history and any saved preferences or data associated with your profile. Restoring a deleted account is not easy, so make sure you're certain before you confirm. In some cases, Booking.com may process the deletion via an email confirmation or even through a support request. If you receive an email asking you to verify that you want to delete the account, complete that step to finish the process. If you don't see a delete account button in your settings, try going directly to the security page after you're logged in. You can use this link, https:/account.booking.com/mysettings/security. That link takes you to the right section where the delete option often appears. If it still doesn't show up, reach out to Booking.com support or their privacy team and request deletion through them. They can guide you through any additional verification they need and complete the request on your behalf. Follow these steps, confirm carefully, and you'll successfully delete your Booking.com account.